Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me, watching me today. I hope you're all doing well. So right now I'll show you a few plants that are very favorite of mine. You see this tulsi plant? You see that? I really love these plants a lot. And what I do very often is I'll just pick up a few of its flowers like this, dry flowers, and I'll just rub it in my hand on my palms, and then I'll smell it. It smells really nice. The smell is very different. It feels purifying. It feels quite awakening, enlightening. It feels nice. Not sure if you can hear me properly because I see it's raining heavily here. So I'll just turn my camera and I'll show you. Give me a moment. So there it is. You can see it's raining quite heavily and the water is logging here. So the day was quite cloudy. It was cloudy all day long and I knew it will rain. In fact, it's been raining for a couple of days now. So here we are in the midst of the rain. I can also hear some thunders, so I think it's going to continue for some time. Yeah, it's feeling cold and it's feeling nice because it's otherwise hot, if it doesn't rain or if it is not cloudy and if it is not breezy, then it's otherwise hot. So yeah, hope you can see the locality, the surrounding, how it looks like. So it's raining heavily and I'm just standing outside near the door and enjoying the rain. It's feeling cold, so yeah, it's feeling nice. So it's been a few days, it's raining continuously and especially during night it becomes very cold. And I love to enjoy rain, just doing nothing, either stand outside or sit near the window, or if you have a balcony, then go there, stand or sit and watch. So it feels really nice because rain is a natural wonder and we know it from childhood. In fact, when I was a child, I used to go crazy about rain, watching rain, looking at it, and listening to the raindrops. That was a wonder for me. That was a miracle for me. That felt very mysterious back then. And I used to get very happy. I used to get very excited. At times I was not able to go out. I was not able to go out to play with my friends. On many occasions this happened that we would have planned something, but on the very same day it will rain and ruin all our plans. But even then I never felt disappointed or I never felt let down because I always enjoyed and loved rain. It's very close to my heart. And now since I've grown up and I'm away from my family, so now when it rains, it brings those days back to my memory. I go back to those time. It feels very nostalgic. I remember how I used to sit all alone near the door and I'll see the water getting logged. I'll then make paper boats. I'm sure all children do that. So I used to make paper boats and then put them on the water. So that was quite exciting. That was fun. That was I was very curious. That was nice. But as we grew up, life became complicated and the joy about rain started fading and it's basically gone. So I'm just trying to reclaim those happy days, those glorious days. by doing nothing, just by by being curious, by being excited, and by being joyful for such natural wonders. So now it is raining. In fact, I can see it's raining heavily, and I'm really enjoying it. The water is splashing on my body. The lower part of my body is kind of wet a bit, and even though there is a risk to hold the camera here, the phone here, and then shoot this video, but I'm still taking this risk because I'm really loving it. And yeah, so yeah, it feels nostalgic, it feels nice, and I'm glad that I had nothing else to do but to watch the rain. So I can, you know what, I can smell, I can smell the rain. It smells different, and everything goes quiet, and all that you get to hear is the raindrop. And you can just look at the sky. It's black as it's gray and black, and you can just look at the treetops, the plants, and you'll see how the water is just flowing through them, and it feels nice. It feels really fantastic. So I'll tell you, when I was a kid, at times we used to go to a mango grove. So near to my home, within a distance of 500 meters, there was a mango grove, a big mango grove. So it had about 50, 60 big, giant, mango trees, and that gave a lot of fruits. So it was during my childhood, especially during rainy season. We used to go to those mango groves to play, because we had a lot of space around there, and it felt really nice in the midst of the greenery. If you go out and play in the open field, it feels really nice. So we used to go out and we used to play, and suddenly it will rain. So obviously you can't make it home even though you run. On a few occasions we did make it home, because we started running, and probably the rain was not so intense, it was just drizzling. But on many occasions we got stuck there, but then we took shelter under those mango groves and those mango trees, and it felt nice. I can tell you that I quite remember those times. On those days I used to go to those mango groves a lot, and be it summer, winter, rainy season, no matter what, me and my friends, we used to spend time together. We'll pluck mangoes, we'll throw stones or big logs, and we'll try to get the mangoes down, and we'll carry a little bit of salt and chili powder so that we can mix it and coat it over the mango and then have it. It used to taste amazing. So yeah, that was a great time. And then at times we did nothing. We simply sat and we looked up the sky and we looked up the birds. So that's all we did. And we could smell the mango. We could smell the grass, the mangoes around the mango tree. And when it breezes, or when there is a wind, there is a a short gush of air, the tree will start shaking, and the air will flow through the branches and the leaves, and it feels like the the tree is dancing to the tune of the air, to the tune of the wind, and it felt really nice. Those golden days, those glorious days, I'm sure will not come back. And it's been a long time I have not been to that grove, but I'm planning to go again. I got stuck here because of the corona situation. Otherwise, I had a plan to go home. So I will go home for sure once the vaccine is available. The vaccine is out. A lot of people are trying hard to get the vaccine out, so I'm sure the hard effort will pay off. So once the vaccine is out, I'll go home with my family, and then I'll make it a point to go to that grove where I spent my childhood, and from where I carry these moments to cherish, these great moments that will stay with me forever. I can't forget it no matter what. I'm sure everybody has their golden and glorious moment like this in their life that they can't forget. So this is one of such moments in my life. when I'm upset or when I'm stressed or when I'm not happy or when I'm feeling dull or low, I tend to go back to these days and I revitalize myself thinking about those days. How wonderful those days were. So basically, this rain, it brings that it brings that memory back. It makes me feel nostalgic. It takes me back to time. And in this busy world, in this busy life, I think we should take time to pause and do things that we like the most. Because I have been spending too much of time in my work and doing other things and leaving little or no time at all for myself. So I always loved rain, and probably I have had opportunities before as well to enjoy the rain, but I wouldn't have done that. Not sure why I didn't do it, but then I'm happy, I'm glad, and I'm fortunate, and I'm thankful that I did today. Uh, and also, luckily, my son is sleeping, so I have nothing else to do. Else, I would I would have been playing with him. So now I can just stand here, watch the rain, take a long breathe, and just smell the rain and soak it in within me and just feel amazing. So I'm sure you also enjoy rain the same way. So if you have anything to share, please share. Yeah.